What's the risk of injury if a drone impact occurs that causes human tissue damage? It's a serious brain injury or fatal event. Here at Virginia Tech, we have the world's largest injury biomechanics program, so we do a lot of research in brain injury and concussion and skull fracture. The connection between helmets and drone is it's all about head injury risk. So what we have is the Hybrid 3 test dummy. This was developed over decades for the auto industry. It's the same dummy that's used to certify your car. We use that to get an idea of the interaction between the drone and a human.
So the aircraft are flown horizontally at maximum speed, square with the test dummy's head.
We have a separation of the molded plastic body.
Once the impact occurs, there's data gathered from numerous accelerometers which measure the G-forces.
When we look at quantifying injury risk, we typically look at two measures, accelerations and loads. So we can take those accelerations, we can take the force values, and we can compare those to other research we've done for auto safety and for military, and that's how we determine injury risk. If you look at cars and automobile safety, we put an incredible amount of work and effort and design in making sure they're safe. We're hoping to have the same sort of analysis for drones. Do you have some sort of parachute or device that slows the kinetic energy? Frangible, if it's not rigid and breaks apart on impact, that's going to reduce the energy transfer. Do you add padding, blade protectors? There's a lot of things we need to better understand to help the industry make safer drones, and that's the goal of the research.